Hello YouTube, how's everybody? This is Bob coming to you again from beautiful Hog Wild Ranch in sunny Southern California desert. Another beautiful day to be out here, and I got some guns to show you. I'm gonna shoot. I got my target set about 30 yards away. 45 easy paces, and I got something special to show you today. I'm going to shoot some cowboy guns, and the first one is going to be this one. This is a current production of Winchester's Model 1873, and I'm going to shoot the Ruger Vaquero. I had this gun for a while. This is a Ruger Vaquero single action in 45 Colt. Both of these chambers for 45 Long Colt. So you only need to carry one cartridge for both your rifle and pistol. This is current production of Winchester 1873. It is made in Japan, and I'm going to shoot some cowboy lows, HSM cowboy lows, and also some PMC long coats. The model 1873, of course, was produced by Winchester Repeating Arms Company in New Haven, Connecticut, from 1873 to 1923, and of that many years, about 720,000 rifles were produced, and they were immensely popular. And actually became the gun that won the West, and was used during the Wild West days, both by cowboys as well as by Indians. This one has a 24-inch octagonal barrel. It holds 13 rounds of Long Colt 45. I have never shot it yet, so today would be the first time. This has a 13-inch pull. The walnut is a grade 2 of 3. Lever action. Here's a loading gate. These are made in Japan, but it is nevertheless a real Winchester. I don't know if you know the history of Winchester. They made this rifle from 1873 to 1923. So I don't know if you can read that. And this should say Winchester Model 1873 on the tank. There's no tank safety. This is color case hardened receiver with a blued octagonal barrel, 24 inches. Uh-oh. Pick that up later. This is pretty much the same as the old guns, except it doesn't, of course, it doesn't have the tank safety of the current production Winchesters out of Japan, and also it doesn't have the rebounding hammer like the current production. So this is nice. It does have the trigger disconnect safety there, which was there in the old guns. So that's nothing new. But the only thing new that's inside you can see is a hammer. It's a firing pin block. It prevents the firing pin from striking the primer unless the trigger is pulled, which is a good idea. Add a safety, but you can tell that from the outside. It's all inside. So some people may say, hey, this Winchester is not a real one, it's made in Japan. However, I say if it has a Winchester name on it, it's a Winchester. Whether it's made in Japan or Portuguese or Portugal or New Haven, Connecticut, you know. Just like Trump, you know. I don't care if the Trump kids were born to Ivana or Mala Maples or Melania, who is from Czechoslovakia. Their kids are also all Trumps. As long as they have the Trump name, they're Trumps. So same thing. Whether this gun was made in New Haven or Portugal or Japan, under the license of Olin Company, which owns the trademark, it is a Winchester, not a reproduction. So this gun was reintroduced in I think 2013, and they've been making it since. Has a arched butt plate, which is color case hardened as well. The next gun I'm going to show is Ruger Vaquero, which you guys have seen, I'm sure. But let's get to the rifle first. Stop talking and start shooting. There you go. Okay. I'm gonna load 13 rounds. These are 45 Colt, Long Colt, HSM cowboy rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 13 rounds. Loads real easy. Let's shoot it. Nice. Shoots real nice. I think I missed a couple rounds. I'm no Hickok 45 now. Cool. This is from last time. This is today. My excellent Prius. I love that car. You guys may laugh, but it is a nice car. 200,000 miles on the odometer. Not a single problem. Only change the brake pad once. Drive onto the desert, just like I'm doing right now. I love that car. Okay, let's do some more shooting. Okay, let's shoot 13 more rounds. Loads real easy. Big old bullets. Thirteen rounds. Very nice. Kind of difficult to see the front side, but I'm happy with it. So here's a dust cover. Put that back on. Cool. The next gun I'm gonna shoot is this one. It's a Ruger Vaquero. This is the old model Vaquero, not the new Vaquero. It's just called Ruger Vaquero. It has a bigger frame, more beefier construction, and so you can take pretty hard rounds. This is a little bit bigger than the Colt single action Army. It's also chambered in 45 Colt. Single action, 6 rounds. So let's shoot that. I'm gonna use finish up the first ammo. I'm gonna try some of these. Okay, got my Ruger Vaquero. I'm gonna load 6 rounds. It's a single action, so because this one has transfer bar safety, it can be loaded safely with 6 rounds. Big old bullets. This one. Okay. Okay. Now I'm no cowboy. I'm just a cowpoke wannabe. A city slicker. But we'll give it a try. Okay, let's go do it. 30 yards. Missed the first one. Okay, let's load 6 more rounds. Oop, drop one. No harm. Okay. Okay, let's see. Ears on. Looks like I need some practice on the pistol. Thank you very much for watching.